We are back with another video, and today we have prepared some surprising facts about alligators that will change your perspective about them forever. Alligators are one of the most fascinating creatures in our world. They have been around for millions of years. They were around at the same time as many dinosaurs. In this video, we will be exploring 8 surprising facts about alligators that will make you see them differently than before. So make sure to watch till the end. Fact number 1. Did you know there are different types of alligators? Even though we all think of alligators as being pretty much the same, there are actually 2 main types, the American alligator and the Chinese alligator. The American alligator is the larger of the two and can be found in the southern United States. On the other hand, the Chinese alligator is smaller and is only found in China. What's interesting is that the Chinese alligator is more endangered than the American alligator. This is because of habitat loss and poaching. But thankfully, there are conservation efforts underway to protect this unique animal. You may want to help protect this animal too by the end of this video. Fact number 2. Their skin is not made of leather. Despite what many people believe, an alligator's skin is not made out of leather. In fact, it's made out of a tough material called osteoderms. These are small, hard plates that are made of bone and are embedded in the alligator's skin. Osteoderms serve as protection from predators and help the alligator regulate its body temperature. Additionally, these plates also help the alligator conserve water and prevent dehydration. Overall, osteoderms are an essential part of the alligator's anatomy and allow it to survive in its environment. Have you ever wondered why alligators don't get thirsty? It's because their skin soaks up water and sends it directly to their bloodstream. This helps them stay hydrated even when they haven't had a drink in days. Pretty cool, right? Fact number 3. Alligators play a vital role in their ecosystem. Alligators are apex predators, which means they're at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem. This means that they play an important role in keeping the populations of other animals in check. For example, alligators eat fish, turtles, and mammals such as deer and wild boars. By eating these animals, alligators help to control their numbers and prevent any one species from becoming too abundant. Additionally, alligators also help to cycle nutrients through the ecosystem. When they die, their bodies decompose and the nutrients in their bodies are released into the environment. These nutrients then become available for other organisms to use, which helps to support the entire ecosystem. So next time you see an alligator, remember that it's not just a scary monster, but an important part of its ecosystem. Fact number 4. Alligators are excellent parents. Despite their ferocious appearance, alligators are actually quite caring parents. Female alligators will build a nest for their eggs and then guard them until they hatch. They will also protect their young from predators and teach them how to hunt. In fact, alligator mothers will even sacrifice themselves to protect their young. There have been cases of alligator mothers drowning themselves along with their eggs or hatchlings to protect them from predators. This shows just how dedicated and caring alligator mothers are. Even though they may look scary, they're just trying to protect their family. So next time you see an alligator, remember that they're not just mindless killing machines, but complex creatures with feelings and family values. Fact number 5. An alligator's bite force. Have you ever wondered how strong an alligator's bite is? Well, an alligator's bite force is actually one of the strongest in the animal kingdom. According to a study published in the Journal of Zoology, the American alligator has a maximum bite force of 2,125 pounds per square inch. This means that an alligator can exert a tremendous amount of force when it bites down on its prey. This bite force is 10 to 15 times stronger than a human and generated by the alligator's powerful jaws and its strong neck muscles. The alligator's teeth are also designed to grip and hold onto prey, while the muscles in its neck help to close its jaws with great force. This combination of strong jaws and neck muscles allows the alligator to have such a powerful bite. But don't worry, you probably won't run into an alligator anytime soon, unless you decide to go swimming in the southeastern United States or eastern China. Plus, they're not usually aggressive towards humans until provoked. Fact number 6. Alligators have a pretty long lifespan. In the wild, they can live for 30 to 50 years, but in captivity, they can live even longer, up to 80 years old. That's almost as long as some humans. It's pretty amazing to think that these large reptiles can live for so long. As alligators age, they become larger and their skin starts to wrinkle more. However, even elderly alligators remain active and are capable of catching prey. It's not uncommon to see an alligator swimming underwater or basking on the shore, regardless of its age. Although it is important to note that the lifespan of an alligator can vary depending on factors such as its environment and diet, but generally speaking, they are long-lived creatures. Fact number 7, they're adept at eyesight. Ever wonder how well alligators can see? Actually, they don't have very good vision. Their eyes are adapted for seeing objects that are close to them, but they can't see things that are far away very well. This is because the lenses in their eyes are shaped in a way that makes it difficult for them to focus on distant objects. However, alligators have excellent night vision and can see very well in low-light conditions. This allows them to hunt at night without being blinded by the darkness. Even though alligators may not be able to see you from far away, if you get too close, they will definitely notice you. So it's best to admire these creatures from a safe distance. Fact number 8, alligators can regulate their body temperature. Alligators are cold-blooded creatures, which means they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. However, unlike most other cold-blooded creatures, alligators are able to shiver and generate their own body heat. This allows them to maintain a constant body temperature despite changes in the environment. For example, if the air temperature drops, alligators can shiver to generate heat and keep their body temperature at a comfortable level. Additionally, alligators can bask in the sun to absorb heat and maintain their body temperature when it's low. This ability to regulate their own body temperature allows alligators to live in a variety of environments and become active predators. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures and that it has changed your perspective about them forever. Also, let us know in the comments section below what other facts you would like to learn about alligators or other animals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.